In this video, we'll walk through the steps to update your opening balance in AutoCount Cloud Accounting. To begin, click on Opening Balance from the account book. Here you'll see your opening balance table. The blue section is where you enter your opening balances, and the white section displays the accumulated totals for accounts grouped under the same parent. Click on the blue section of the account you want to update. A prompt window will appear, allowing you to input your balance details. If a customer or supplier has multiple documents, you can enter all of them in this same window. Do note that the document number is required. You may enter the amounts in either the debit or credit column, depending on the transaction. The system will automatically calculate the total. As you enter your balances, the system will automatically calculate the total debit and credit amounts displayed at the bottom of the page. Once all balances are entered, click Save. The system will prompt a message asking if you would like to lock your opening balance. Confirm your choice accordingly. The system does not save data automatically, as your changes will only be recorded once you click the Save button.